How to decrease in crochet is a skill that any crocheter would do well to know, and in this video I'm going to show you very simply and plainly how to decrease. So you're going to need your project, whatever you're working on, and you've got your hook. So I've just got a swatch here of single crochets, and the next stitch I am going to decrease. What I'm going to do is put my hook in the next stitch like I would do for single crocheting. So I'm going to put my hook in this next hole here, and then pull up a loop as I would do to single crochet. And instead of pulling through this next piece of yarn, I'm not going to pull through. I've got 2 loops on my hook here now, and the next thing I'm going to do is put my hook in the next stitch and pull up a loop. Now I've got 3 loops on my hook, and essentially I have a piece of yarn in each of the next 2 stitches, and what I want to do is pull those 2 stitches together. So all I need to do now is yarn over and pull through all 3 of these. So those 2 stitches now become 1 stitch, and that is your crochet decrease. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I hope that wasn't too fast for you. Instead of putting your hook into this hole, you're going to put the hook through the front loop, this one here, and we're not going to pull up any loop, we're just going to go straight into the next front loop. Alright, so you've got quite a tight hold on your hook now, but you do have 3 loops on your hook, and you're just going to pull through all 3. 1, 2, 3, and that is your invisible decrease. So there we go. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and if you like this video, you are going to love this video. I'll see you there. Bye!